Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do current affairs MCQs from 22 January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first MCQ, the Competition Commission of India approved acquisition of up to 74% stake in RBL Bank by which bank? Option B, Emirates NBD Bank. Emirates NBD Bank is headquartered in which country? Option C, United Arab Emirates. Under the RBL Bank acquisition deal, the mandatory open offer is for what percentage? Option B, 26%. RBL Bank has its International Financial Service Center banking unit located at which place? Option A, Gift City. Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited will increase its stake in Apollo Health and Lifestyle Limited to which level? Option C, 99.42%. Bhushan Power and Steel Limited's steel business will be transferred through which route? Option A, slump sale. JFE Steel Corporation belongs to which country? Option D, Japan. JSW Sambalpur Steel Limited is a subsidiary of which company? Option B, JSW Kalinga Steel Limited. Tata Steel Limited acquired 50.01% stake in which company? Option B, Triveni Pellets Private Limited. The Triveni Pellets Private Limited is engaged in the production of which product? Option C, iron ore pellets. The World Economic Forum Annual Meeting 2026 was held at which place? Option C, Davos. India's non-fossil fuel based installed power capacity as of December 2025 is approximately Option C, 267 gigawatts. The Department of Posts has activated how many automated teller machines across India? Option A, 887. The Inland Waterways Development Council, that is IWDC 3.0 meeting will be held at which city? Option B, Kochi. The IWDC 3.0 meeting will be chaired by which union minister? Option B, Sarbananda Sonowal. National Waterways 2 is associated with which river? Option C, Brahmaputra River. The index of 8 core industries carries what weight in the index of industrial production? Option C, 40.27%. Which core industry recorded the highest growth in December 2025? Option A, cement. The One Station, One Product scheme was launched in which year? Option C, 2022. The Central Motor Vehicles rules were notified in which year? Option D, 2026. Pending toll dues will restrict which service under the new toll rules? Option A, Vehicle Transfer NOC. Who is the current Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha? Option B, that is Harivansh. Mahasagar initiative is related to which sector? Option B, Maritime Security and Growth. The Vice President of India released a book related to which topic? Option D, Ram Janmabhoomi Movement. The book titled Chalice of Ambrosia has been authored by whom? Option B, Surendra Kumar Pachauri. So that's it for today, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.